Many people think black will make a home feel cramped and gloomy, but when combined with the warmth of the right mid-century modern wood, you'll achieve an unparalleled level of luxury. Be sure to subscribe for more exclusive design inspiration. Many say black is gloomy and old wood is old-fashioned. But what if I told you the combination of the two is the secret to a timeless luxury home? Welcome to Ikigriya. Here, we're not just about decorating, but about creating spaces that tell stories and inspire serenity. I believe that every corner of our home is a reflection of our life's journey. Through the small details, from our color choices to the textures we touch, we are building a legacy of comfort. Today, let's rediscover the beauty within our homes. Look at how the teak wood grain seems to light up when paired with the matte black walls. This isn't just a design, it's a play of contrasts that tricks the eye into seeing a deeper sense of luxury. However, visual beauty alone isn't enough. Many people fail because they focus solely on color, without considering the temperature of the room. This is why choosing the right wood type is crucial to prevent the black color in your home from feeling oppressive. Afraid the room will feel too dark? The secret lies in the warmth of mid-century wood tones. Wood isn't just a complement, it's the life that keeps black from feeling cold and lifeless. This balance between dark and warm actually has a definite design formula. Professionals call it visual weight balancing, where we position wooden furniture so that the viewer's eye isn't drawn to a single, heavy, dark spot. In interior design, black is depth, and wood is story. In this video, we'll explore how to balance the two without making a room feel cramped. One of the most effective ways to achieve this balance is through the choice of furniture profiles. In mid-century style, we don't use furniture that's fat or rests directly on the floor, but rather designs that give it room to breathe. Notice the details of these sleek furniture legs. Against the dark floor, they create the illusion of floating, giving the impression of a spacious space despite the bold colors. The attention to small details like furniture legs is what ultimately builds the overall aura of the room. It doesn't just look modern, but also conveys a sense of history and stability that we usually only find in prestigious, upscale residences. There's a reason this style is called classic. The combination of black and natural materials creates a calm yet authoritative old money aura. Let's see how to apply it in your living room. This stability subconsciously influences how we perceive the space itself. There's a scientific reason why the combination of organic materials and deep, dark colors can reduce stress levels after a long day of activities outside. Psychologically, black provides security, while the texture of wood provides comfort. When you combine them, you create not just a home, but a sanctuary. Interestingly, you don't have to remodel your entire home to achieve that sense of security and luxury. Often, our misperception is that luxury comes from quantity, when the key lies in the quality of the right object. Don't get me wrong, you don't need expensive antique furniture. Just one statement piece of wood against a dark backdrop, and your room's aesthetic level will instantly improve 180 degrees. The right object is usually determined by the texture of the wood. Is it smooth-grained, or does it have distinct knots? This choice is highly personal and usually reflects the homeowner's character. Before we move on to lighting tips, let me know in the comments, are you team light wood like oak or dark wood like walnut to pair with black walls? Creating a home with character is a lifelong journey, so don't hesitate to explore our other videos on color psychology and future design trends to complete your vision of your dream home. But, there is one fatal mistake that is often made when combining these two elements. If you choose the wrong finish, your room will actually look dull. Here's how to avoid it. Thank you for spending time with me today. Remember that creating your dream home is a marathon, not a sprint. Enjoy every little change you make. If you enjoyed this aesthetic journey, let's stay connected. Subscribe to become part of the Ikigria community, and let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video, where we'll once again celebrate the beauty behind every door.